Hey guys, Kellen with Family Handyman. It's great when you move into a new neighborhood, you start meeting your neighbors and you slowly become friends. But eventually there's a few things that they do that might get on your nerves. Here's a list of those things that we all find annoying. We all have that one neighbor when July rolls around, they still have their giant inflatable Santa out in the yard. Man, that is annoying. Here's a tip. Make your Wi-Fi more complicated than 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, you're just inviting your neighbor to steal your Wi-Fi. Man, that is annoying. This is a given, but you don't have the same taste as your neighbor. They might choose to have tacky lawn ornaments, or they might have their house painted a bright color. Man, that is annoying. Here's another neighborly tip. If you have a lot of windows on your house, it's a good idea to have blinds or curtains on them because otherwise your neighbors will be able to see inside your house at night. Man, that is annoying. At some point in your homeownership, someone's going to question your property line. And then you will discover that your neighbor's shed is partially on your property. Man, that is annoying. Some people in your neighborhood might have pets, and those pets might find their way into your yard and start relieving themselves, which at that point you have to fix, and that costs time and money. Man, that is so annoying. So there you have it. Those are just a few tips to stay on the friendly side of your neighbors so you don't become the annoying one. For more great homeowner tips, visit us at familyhandyman.com.